How to log in Netflix on iPhone. If you've been wondering how to log into your Netflix account on your iPhone, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to sign into Netflix on your iPhone. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First things first, you can simply open or log into Netflix via Netflix app, or you can simply go to the Netflix web browser as well. Simply search for Netflix, and here simply tap on sign in. Here you can see email address and password. Simply sign in via your email or mobile number, or you can use a sign in code as well. Next, simply after you've done that, tap on sign in and you'll be able to sign into your or log into your Netflix homepage where you can start browsing and streaming your favorite shows and movies. And that's it. You're now logged into Netflix on your iPhone and ready to watch all your favorite content.